Hi, my name is John Ross. I'm a senior consultant with Marshall Institute. Today I want to talk to you about planning and scheduling. Here's something I want you to think about just real quickly. Everything we do is planned and scheduled. All maintenance work is planned and scheduled. We just need to simply ask ourselves, are we going to plan and schedule on purpose, or are we going to do it by accident? I'd like to invite you, maintenance supervisors, planners, schedulers, and storeroom personnel, to attend one of our webinars, come to one of our public seminars, or perhaps we can even come on site to train you with this information. What your attendees are going to learn is they're actually going to develop a job plan, a world-class job plan, how we actually plan work. They're also going to create a job scoping form, the kinds of things we look for when we're planning a job. They're also going to learn how to schedule a job. They're not only going to learn this academically, they're going to learn this through exercises. The importance of these people working together is they talk about these activities and they start developing a strategy while they're here in class and learning these exercises, a strategy that might just work for you guys. I'd like to invite you to visit our website. Thank you.